Hi, my little library friends. Welcome to the Indian Head Library's Hoopla Storytime. So Father's Day is coming up soon. So today's story is called A Wild Father's Day. So the kids give Dad a card that says, "Have a wild Father's Day." And so Dad decides to act like different wild animals all day long. Today's story is on our Hoopla app. And so the next screen that you see will give instructions to the adult who's with you. So enjoy the story, and then you come back to me and I'll show you how to make a cute card for that special man in your life. All right? All right, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the story. So you're going to be making a turtle card. Let me just see, whoops, here. It kind of looks like that. All right. So what you're going to do is you have a full piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half. All right, like that. Then you're going to turn it around and you're going to draw your handprint, and the folded part is going to go up here by your wrist. So put your hands like that, pull it back, kind of close together, not too close, but make your thumb out a little bit because your thumb is going to be his tail. All right, the tail of the turtle. And when you cut it out, it's going to open up and you have sort of like two hands, you see, like that. Okay. Okay, and then you're going to cut out the head for the turtle. And you're going to glue it onto the front of your card. So we have some glue, and you're going to glue the head of the turtle right there. All right, so there's the start of your turtle. Then you're going to glue an eye on your turtle, so put some glue there and give you a little eye to stick on your turtle. Okay, so see, now he has an eye. All right, and then you're going to glue some green pom-poms for his shell. So put some glue just up here above the fingers, and you're going to glue, oops, they're running away. I'm going to glue some pom-poms on your turtle to make a shell. All right, and I'll give you pom-poms for that too. And then inside, when you lift it up, you can have somebody help you write. It's backwards, I know. It says, "Have a turtly awesome day." Or you could say, "You're a turtly awesome dad." All right, so you make that for Dad. And when you're done, make sure you take a picture and send it to me so I can see what your special man is getting. All right? Hope you had fun. We'll see you next time. Bye.